Hi, welcome to Alpha Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you the main features of the Alpha Cortex HP controller using your web browser. If you're reviewing this video, we've made a few assumptions. That you have a controller connected to the internet, as well as the password and access requirements needed to complete the task. If not, view the video or the method of procedure document on our support pages at alpha.ca. Let's begin by entering our IP information, as well as our login credentials. We land on the home page, which gives us an overview of what's happening within the controller and any systems in the middle area that are inside this controller. On the right-hand side, we have a list of any active alarms. In this case, we've got an active alarm for unassigned modules. If we move up to the top right-hand corner, I have an option to select the language and the unit of measure. I can select USA English or USA English metric. Beside that, I've got accounts and shortcuts where I can access the software manual if it's been uploaded into the controller, as well as log in and other account setting information. In the box just below, I have information about one of the systems that reside within this controller. This particular one is a BDFB. On the left of that, I've got a second system, which is our DC system. And I've got some basic general information about the status of that system. If I only had one system, then there would be just one panel here, and it would display a little bit more information. On the left is going to show me if I have any active alarms. In this case, we've got a warning. If I wanted to cut off that alarm, I could select the alarm cutoff button here in the top right-hand corner. If there was no alarms, then this would just give me basic information about the system. The dashboard is the page that we are on. If we move over to the power flow, here I could click on and get information about the systems within the controller and see an actual physical layout along with an animation to show how the power would be flowing through each of the systems if I had multiple systems. The controller tab allows me to access information such as if I wanted to update the IP information, I would select Configure Controller Communications Ethernet. Or perhaps I would go Advanced Functions, Configuration File, and from there I could work with some of the files. In the System tab, I can access either one of the systems in this case. If I selected the DC system, went down to the inventory, and selected the battery, I could then click on that and access the battery configuration page and enter battery parameters. The Modules tab would give me a list of all the devices that are connected through the CAN communication bus to the controller. Things like the ADIOs, rectifier modules. The Alarm tab will give me a list of opportunity to go to active alarms or alarm settings or set up how the alarms will function. In the Logs tab, I can have information about what is happening in the system right now, along with historical information. Perhaps I want to see something about the performance of the particular power plant that's connected. The shelf layout will give me a visual representation of where the modules are placed for specific types of systems. An LPS, a line power system, I would have a visual representation of where each module resides within the rack in the system. Beyond that, I've also got the hide header way over here on the right. What the hide header will do is remove the information on the top to enlarge the area that I may be working with. So if I'm not interested in about the information about the systems or the alarm conditions, I can do the hide header and have a larger working area. This concludes our session. I hope this helps you understand the main features of the Alpha Cortex HP controller. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips, go to alpha.ca/techtips.